Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cunning Beauty. I am Delisa and I'm here with another video for you today. So as y'all can see, I have my little fuzzy headband on, so that means one thing. It's time for some skincare. I'm so excited about today's skincare video because I finally got my hands on Fenty Skin, created by Rihanna. When she first launched Fenty Skin, maybe about 4 weeks ago now, about a month ago now, my fingers were just not quick enough on my phone to get the first round that came out, and it was completely sold out when I tried to buy it. But they are fully restocked, so I got my hands on the starter bundle. So today's video will just be a review on the starter bundle that is out right now, and then my first impression. I haven't used the products yet. I haven't even opened the products yet, so this will be kind of like an unboxing, first impression, and review. So obviously this probably won't be a review where I tell you you should or should not use this product. If this is my first time using it, especially when it comes to skincare, it's really hard to determine if something is working for your skin the first time around. So with skincare, you have to use the products for at least like a week to 2 weeks to really understand if it's working for your skin. So this video will be more of just an honest first impression of the products and how it makes my skin feel. Before we get started, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when all of my new videos are coming out, and make sure you are following me on Instagram at cunning_beauty. All right, let's get into this Fenty Skin, y'all. So in case you're wondering if you want to know what type of skin type I am, I have just like a normal skin type. I'm a combination between oily and dry, just right in the middle with a normal skin type. And I mean, I'm not trying to brag or anything, but like I don't have a lot of problems with my skin. I don't get a lot of pimples. I don't have acne. I don't have a lot of discoloration. I just have maybe a little bit of dark circles under my eyes, but other than that, I don't have a lot of skin issues, but I still just love taking care of my skin. And I've recently become obsessed with skincare, so I definitely am excited to try this starter bundle. So here we go. This is the starter bundle. Comes with the cleanser, toner, and moisturizer. So first we have the total cleanser. So this is where I thought that the top was going to come off, but it doesn't. It just kind of clicks and then it comes out this way. So the total cleanser is described as a remove it all cleanser, hyper clean, soft skin without stripping or drying, daily cleanser and makeup remover in one. And the directions are to use day and night to remove makeup, dirt, and impurities. Wet your skin, work into a lather, rinse, and it's obviously for external use and use as directed. So then we have the Fenty Skin Fat Water. So this is a pore refining toner serum. This is definitely a new way to do toner. At least I've never seen a toner like this. It's not like your normal liquidy toner. It's more of a serum. So I don't know if you can tell, but the liquid in this bottle is a lot thicker than a regular toner. So very interesting to see how this works and how it feels on my skin. So just to give you an idea of how this is described, it instantly refines the look of pores, reduces the look of dark spots, even skin tone, and fights shine without stripping the skin. Directions: use day and night on clean skin, apply over your face with your fingers, which is also different because usually when you do toner, you want to put it on a cotton pad or like a cotton ball and rub it on your skin to get all the dirt and everything off. But this says to use with your fingers, so that's very interesting. And of course it's for external use and use as directed. So that is the Fat Water Pore Refining Toner Serum. And then we have the Hydrophizer, and this is just your moisturizer. It's an invisible moisturizer with broad spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen. So it has your SPF in here. I'm just gonna open this up so I can see what the actual moisturizer looks like. So this is the contraption. So it looks like it goes in here. Wait, let's see. Nope, maybe it goes in here. How does this go? I don't know. Oh, here we go. Am I doing this right? Am I doing this? Oh, there you go. Oh, Well, this is too fancy for me. So let's read what this moisturizer is described as. It says use every single day, no excuses. It literally says that. No excuses, apply before makeup for the ultimate canvas. So directions, apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure, use a water resistant sunscreen if swimming or sweating, and reapply at least every 2 hours. So it sounds like you can use this literally as a sunscreen as well as a moisturizer, which is like definitely a 2-in-1 type of product. All right, so let's just jump right into it, shall we? So we're gonna go ahead and cleanse our skin. I'm gonna wet my face a little bit here. All right. Ooh, it's a little thick there. This is very thick, I feel, but let's see how it works. It smells good. If you have sensitive skin, I don't know if this will work with the fragrance that's in this, because I know a lot of fragrance can irritate some people's sensitive skin, so be careful with that. All right, we are back. Face is nice and clean. I can say that after rinsing it off, it doesn't feel like my face is dry at all. I know some cleansers can make your face feel very dry, but I feel like my skin is, I wouldn't say moisturized, but it just like, ooh, wait a minute, I'm touching it now. It feels really soft. Ooh, you didn't have to scrub or anything. I love the way it makes my skin feel. Like I said, it does smell like it has a fragrance in here. Let me read a little bit. I can't read any of these words, but you can smell it. You can smell the fragrance on here, so just be careful if you have sensitive skin. I know a lot of people who have sensitive skin react differently to fragrances in skincare, so be careful with that. But liking the cleanser so far, let's keep it going. So now we have the fat water. Again, this is, as you can see, I'm opening it for the first time. So again, most toners you put on a cotton pad and put on your face, but this says to apply over your face with your fingers. And again, this is a little thicker because it is a serum. So let's see how this feels. So I guess I'm just gonna, does it come out like this? I don't know how this works. How do I? Is this how I get it out? I don't know. Can y'all see my fat arm trying to get the serum out? Is there an easier way to get this out? I don't know. All right, it looks like it's coming out. While y'all look at my flabby arm. All right, we're gonna hope that's enough because I can't really get that out. Nope, I feel like I need more. So you just apply over face with fingers. That's it, just massage it in, I'm guessing. Just massage it in. They need a better way to get this out. That's the only bad thing I'm gonna say about this bottle. Cute bottle, but it's hard to get that stuff out of there. All right, I mean, I will say I like how this feels on my skin. Most toners can have that really like tingling, burning sensation, but this does not burn at all. If you have sensitive skin, this is actually a perk because it does not like give your face that like tingling, burning sensation. So toners can also give you that dry feeling afterwards. Like if you move your face, feels fine. Toner serum, very interesting. All right, well, I will say I don't, I feel like a toner, again, I probably said this 3 times, but like usually with the toner, you can see the oil and the dirt from the cotton pad after a toner. So I don't know, I don't have that satisfied feeling of seeing the excess dirt that the cleanser didn't get off with the cotton pad, but I guess we're clean. We're just gonna keep going. So let's get into this moisturizer. Pop it up. This also has a smell to it, although it smells really, really good. I don't know if this works for if you have sensitive skin, because this fragrance might irritate your skin. It is rubbing in really well. I mean, I'm loving the smell. It smells so good. But if you have sensitive skin, I don't think that'll work. My face feels nice and moisturized, but see how I'm looking a little oily here? Like, I feel like you should not look this oily after a moisturizer. You should look like this after you've put some like oil or like a serum on your face. But and I'm thinking it's because it can also be used as a sunscreen. Maybe that's why I'm getting this glow from this, which, I mean, it's not a bad thing, but this will be good because it does say that you can apply this before makeup. So this will probably help with applying your makeup very evenly. So I'm not applying any makeup right now. I'm gonna be a little fresh faced today, but I will definitely use this before one of my makeup routines to see how it makes my makeup apply to my face or blend in my face a little better. So this is it, y'all. This is the final results of using the starter bundle packet. So if I had to rate this on a scale of 1 to 10, this 3-step starter pack, I would probably be rated a 7. It's not the best skincare I've ever tried, but it definitely does the job. I think out of the 3, I like the cleanser the best. This made my skin feel very soft after washing my face. I feel like you don't typically get that with normal cleansers. You usually only get like really soft skin like that after you use like a scrub or a mask. So just after just the cleanser, it made my skin feel very soft and smooth. So I think out of the 3 products, I like the cleanser. I will use this moisturizer. I honestly want to take this to the beach with me next time I go to the beach or the pool, because it seems like it would be a great sunscreen, especially since it has a SPF 30. So I think I'm gonna like throw this in my beach bag the next time I go to the beach and use this as a sunscreen on my face. Overall, nothing really bad to say about the products. I definitely feel like if you are into skincare or if you want to try some new skincare or a new skincare routine, definitely go out and try it. Obviously this was not sponsored. I wish it was. Holla at me, Rihanna. But this was not sponsored. Bought it with my own money. Just wanted to give it a try and see how I liked it. And like I said, I give it a 7 out of 10. Let me know if you have tried Fenty Skin before and how you felt about it. Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.